Hi everyone, welcome to this data annotation course. I'm your instructor, and today we're diving into the first part of the material. Hope you're ready, let's get started.
This presentation focuses on Chapter 6 Text Data Annotation. It starts with an introduction to text data labeling, which is part of the Artificial Intelligence Technology Application Core Course Series textbooks. Then it will cover text data labeling tools, examples of sequence labeling methods, and conclude with homework and exercises. Commonly used open-source text annotation tools include Decano, YEDDA, Chinese Annotator, IEPY, DeepDive, and BRAT. Decano, for instance, is an open-source tool offering annotation functions for text classification, sequence labeling, and sequence-to-sequence tasks. It can create labeled data for tasks like sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and text summarization. YEDDA is an open-source text annotation tool for entity classes. It provides sequence tag annotation functions and a systematic solution for text span annotation, from user collaboration to administrator evaluation. It overcomes traditional tool inefficiencies by using command, line, and shortcut keys for entity annotation with customizable labels. Chinese Annotator is an intelligent Chinese text annotation tool. It features a simple annotation environment, an intelligent learning algorithm, and offline learning capabilities. Its labeling interface is user-friendly, and the annotation framework is a complete system including front-end, back-end, and database. IEPY is an open-source tool mainly for information extraction, especially relation extraction. Its operation interface is designed to help users tag relations in text documents. DeepDive is similar to IEPY, an open-source labeling tool for information extraction tasks. It's well suited for information extraction and building knowledge bases. It can extract entity relationships based on part-of-speech tagging and syntactic analysis, and handle heterogeneous and large-scale data. BRAT can be used for various natural language processing tasks, mainly for entity recognition and relation extraction. The BRAT server is a Python program, usually using the Ubuntu operating system and Google Chrome as the web browser. Taking Datatong's text data labeling tool as an example, this part introduces some typical text data labeling tools. Rhythm notation, originally related to poetry rhythm, here refers to the pauses between words in a sentence. Different pause lengths result in different prosodic symbols. Part-of-speech tagging is a form of text data tagging. The part-of-speech tagging tool can label text content with entity names, attributes, and relationships. The tool has components like an entity name list, text display area, attribute editing box, label list, and toolbar, supporting operations like text selection and custom label creation. For part-of-speech or entity relationship labeling, the text needs to be labeled first, and then the entity relationships are labeled. Associated entities are connected by a line. Marking of tonal polyphonic characters is about adding pronunciation to polyphonic characters, like pronounced as pian and pronounced as pien. The phonetic polyphonic word labeling tool enables fast labeling. First, the algorithm identifies the polyphonic characters in a text and imports both the recognized characters and the original text into the platform. Then, the template loads the text and its pronunciation simultaneously and shows them on the labeling page. Here is the schematic diagram of the multi-phonetic tagging platform. Semantic annotation is a type of text data annotation. Its goal is to understand interactive short texts and annotate the text's intent. The semantic annotation tool can perform intent annotation and set custom labels. To start with, custom tags need to be made, which include intent level configuration, function configuration, pre-recognition configuration, etc. Here is the semantic annotation platform in the figure. The template area in reading comprehension is mostly the same as in entity labeling. The difference is that on the right, There is a question and answer labeling list where questions and answers can be filled in, and there is no toolbar at the bottom. The following figure shows the reading comprehension label display interface. After the data quality inspection is done, the labeling accuracy rate is calculated by comparing the labeling results with the quality inspection results. Both labeling and quality inspection staff can view the real-time accuracy rate on the task execution page. Here is the accuracy statistics interface in the figure. Annotation tools are of great importance to data product production tasks. A good annotation tool can significantly reduce problems in the annotation process, lower the errors of annotation personnel, and improve the production efficiency and data quality of data products. So, what conditions should an excellent labeling tool meet? Consider the following: strong scalability, easy operation, strong fault tolerance, stable data storage, various data export formats, support for pre-identification algorithm, support for multiple languages, and a web version.